Anticipatory bail is protection you seek before an arrest ever happens. If you reasonably apprehend arrest in a non-bailable offense, a court can direct that, if arrested, you shall be released on bail. Since July 1, 2024, this remedy is governed by Section 482 of the BNSS 2023, which replaced Section 438 of the old CrPC. Your apprehension of arrest must be reasonable and based on concrete circumstances, not mere speculation. Common scenarios. An FIR has been filed or is likely. The police have sent you a notice to join an investigation. The other side in a dispute has threatened a criminal complaint, or a business, property, family, or professional matter carries a foreseeable risk of one. Importantly, you do not need to wait for an FIR to be registered. The provision exists precisely for situations where a case may be registered and an arrest may follow. Timing matters more than most applicants realize. Filing before an FIR is registered is often strategically advisable because courts may view a post-FIR application with greater scrutiny. If trouble is clearly coming, earlier action tends to serve you better. Under Section 482 of the BNSS, you can apply to either the Court of Session for the district where the offense is alleged or to the High Court. In practice, most applications go to the Sessions Court first. If it refuses, you can then approach the High Court. Some applicants file directly in the High Court when the matter is urgent, legally complex, or when concerns exist about the local judicial environment. Section 482 deliberately widens pre-arrest protection. The old Section 438 required courts to weigh specific guiding factors: the nature and gravity of the accusation, the applicant's criminal antecedents, and the possibility of flight from justice. Section 482 removes those mandatory factors, giving courts broader discretion and a more holistic view. But be clear, anticipatory bail has not become automatic. The nature of the offense, the strength of the prosecution case, and your conduct still matter. They are simply no longer statutory prerequisites. Expect conditions attached to the order. Courts routinely require cooperation with the investigation and availability for questioning. Surrender of your passport. No travel outside the country without permission. Regular attendance before the investigating officer. No tampering with evidence or influencing witnesses. And a personal bond, with or without sureties. Violate any condition, and the order can be canceled. So read the order carefully and follow every requirement to the letter. If you already hold an anticipatory bail order granted under the old CrPC, it continues to operate. You do not need a fresh application under the BNSS. The transition between the two laws preserves the protection you already have. Reasonable apprehension, the right court, the right timing, and full compliance with conditions. That is the Anticipatory Bail Playbook. For more details, visit our website and subscribe.